Hi everyone, welcome to Season 4, Episode 1 of Mummy and Me Tutorials. In Season 4, we're dealing with time.
Yes.
We're actually looking first at the 2021 math paper, question number 29. Would you like to read?
Sure. Amanda left school at 3:20 p.m.
Wait, where was Amanda? What was she doing for 20 minutes? School overs at 3 p.m.?
Yes.
She was probably playing with her friends.
She has friends.
Yeah, she has. I'm sure she has friends.
Nice.
She was probably playing with them. And she
Arrived home 3/4 of an hour later.
Okay, that's a long time. I wonder how long is that? We
I
don't know.
wonder.
Okay.
But that's sad.
So
What time did Amanda arrive home?
this is Amanda's home. And we want to know what time she got home. So she got home three quarters of an hour later. Okay. So what do we do first?
The first step is to calculate how many minutes 3/4 of an hour represents.
What do we know?
We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes.
So 1 hour equals to 60
minutes.
minutes. Here we have a clock, and let's show you what 1 hour represents. Now, each one of these lines represents
1 minute.
1 minute. So from here to here represents
5 minutes.
5 minutes. So let's have a look at 1 hour. 5 minutes,
10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes,
30 minutes,
35 minutes,
40 minutes,
45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and 60 minutes.
So 1 hour equals to
60 minutes.
But we know that Amanda arrived at home 3/4 of an hour later.
So if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 3/4 of an hour would be 3/4 multiplied by 60 over 1, and you will get 45 minutes.
Okay. So Amanda arrived home 45 minutes later.
Yes, don't drive.
I drive. Perhaps she walked home.
By herself? That is dangerous.
Okay, all right. So maybe her mommy picked her up from school.
All right.
What do we need to do next?
Step 2 is to calculate the time Amanda arrived at home.
Or the actual time?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know what time she got home.
So the time taken to arrive home would be 45 minutes.
What time did she leave home?
3:20 p.m.
But we want to state 3:20 p.m. differently, right? But we need to add. So we want to separate the
hours from the minutes.
So now we want to state it as
3 hours and 20 minutes.
Okay. And what do we want to do? We want to add on this 45 minutes later that she took to arrive home. And how shall we state this?
0 hours and 45 minutes.
Interesting. So we need to add 3 hours and 20 minutes and add 45 minutes to that.
Yes.
So Amanda left school at 3:20 p.m. and she took 45 minutes to get home.
Yes.
So let's see what 3:20 p.m. looks like on our clock. The shorthand is between 3 and 4, and the longhand is exactly at 4. So that's 3:20 p.m.
And remember that the distance between each number, for example, the distance between 4 and 5 is 5 minutes.
All right, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. So let's see what time she got home, right? Let's add 45 minutes to this. 5, 10, 15,
20,
25,
30,
35,
40,
45 minutes. So what time is this on the clock?
On the clock, this time is 4:05 p.m.
Or 5 minutes past 4. And this is what it looks like
in digital
clock. So this is 4:05 p.m., which is 5 minutes after 4. Can we add that mathematically now? Show what that working looks like?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. So now we're going to add. When we're adding, is there a rule to adding the hours and the minutes together?
Well, the first thing we need to do is to separate the hours column from the minutes column
And add the hours and the minutes separately.
separately.
Which one do you start with first though?
Minutes,
We start with minutes first. So let's add.
right? So 0 plus 5 is 5
Mhm.
and 2 plus 4 is 6. So then we get 65 minutes.
But wait, I thought you told me that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes.
I did.
But this 65 minutes is more than 1 hour.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, sorry. So we have to do something special with that.
Yes.
Okay, we'll do something special with that. But then we need to add our
Hours.
hours. So how do we do that?
3 hours plus 0 hours will give you 3
3
hours.
hours. So now we have 3 hours and 65 minutes, but
65 minutes can be broken up into 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour and 5 minutes.
so this 5 minutes is really 5 minutes greater than 1
1
hour.
hour.
But we're adding minutes. So what do we do?
Well, from the 65 minutes,
Yeah.
well, from
From
the
the-
65 minutes, we need to subtract 60 minutes or 1 hour.
So when we subtract 60 minutes, what do? We're subtracting 1 hour.
Yes.
And what do we get?
5 minus 0 is 5 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So we get 5 minutes. However, since we subtracted 60 minutes from the minutes column
Right,
and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour,
right.
we add back that 1 hour to the hours column.
So I subtracted the 60 minutes and I want to bring it across here to the hours column.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we remove this hour here and we want to add that.
Add it back.
No problem.
So then 3 hours plus 1 hour,
And this is the 1 hour that we subtracted here, that we removed. Yes.
and you will get 4 hours.
So Amanda arrived at home at 4 hours and 5 minutes in time. But how does that look though?
That would be 4:05 p.m.
PM. So this is what the clock looks like at the time Amanda got home.
4:05 p.m.
And this is what the digital clock looks like. And what did the question ask us?
The question asked us to calculate what time Amanda arrived home.
Which is,
4:05 p.m.
yay, did we answer the question?
Yes.
Yes, so we just completed question number 29 of the 2021 Maths Past Paper. We hope this video helped. Bye, everyone.